In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Amazon promo codes in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, then go to google.com, and here in the search box just enter Amazon promo codes. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that offers promo codes. You can open up any of that website, and here, as you can see, I got a lot of different promo codes. I can scroll down to see them all, but usually the best offers are on the first positions. So now here I got at the first place promo code that gives me 50% off. I can hit on that promo code. Now here I can copy it, and also it brings me to Amazon where I can start making purchases. And once you are ready to pay, just don't forget enter the promo code and double check if promo code is applied. If for some reason the promo code doesn't work, you can always go back on that or another website, and here you can try to use another promo codes. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like,